everyone. Welcome to Bookswagon. So today with me I have Ambika Rikhi ma'am, जो एक ऑथर है, कंटेंट स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट है, स्क्रीन क्लब राइटर है गुड़गांव मॉम्स की, एंड आज शी इज हियर विथ हर लेटेस्ट वर्क हार्टबीट, a practical guide to lifelong heart health for you and your family, co-written with cardiologist Dr. Amit Bhushan Sharma. So ma'am, let's go on air with Bookswagon. We are really glad to have you here today.
I'm really excited to be here again. It's very nostalgic because I was here last year and it just feels wonderful. Thank you.
Ma'am, please tell our guests that what was the need to write Heartbeat?
So, there is a misconception that heart disease is an old man's problem. It is actually not. It can just, happen to anyone. We are seeing so many young cardiac, death cases. It can happen to pregnant women. It can happen to teenage children. This problem is not just about old men. And so we want to raise awareness. I have, met families where, there was a heart issue with a pregnant woman, or, somebody, it was too late, and people have, come up to us and told us, "Kash hame pehle pata hota." So there is a gap between loss and hope, and with this book, we're trying to fill that gap.
That's so wonderful, ma'am. Ma'am, आपकी किताब 2 parts में है. So, what was the need to incorporate real life stories in your book?
Readers these days will happily abandon your book for a reel. So you have to keep your chapters interesting, and real life stories, because they are very relatable. When you read those stories, you will see somebody this seems to be like my dad, or this seems to be like me or my partner. So real life stories are relatable, and that is why we divided this book into 2 parts. The second part talks about issues that we take for granted, pollution and heart health, bad sleep and heart health, food and heart health. So this book is actually for everyone.
मैम, तो प्लीज़ ये बताइए कि हाउ इज़ हार्टबीट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर हेल्थ बुक्स, क्योंकि और भी हेल्थ बुक्स हैं जो हमें चीज़ें बताती हैं. हाउ इज़ योर बुक डिफरेंट?
Other health books, they are probably technical or they are scary. Here, the idea is not to scare anyone. The idea is to empower our readers that yes, I can take charge of my heart health and I don't have to end up in a hospital. Heart health is usually क्या होता है, जब hospital में चले जाते हैं तभी समझ में आता है. So this is the idea. We want to empower our readers to take care of their heart and not to scare them, and that is what is different about this book.
So ma'am, I also saw that your book speaks about daily life scenarios. So please tell us कि why daily life scenarios?
Because it's mostly these scenarios we take for granted. Like आज मैं 5 घंटे ही सोऊंगी, मैं थोड़ा ऑफिस का काम करूँगी, बहुत स्ट्रेस है, मैं 2 कप कॉफ़ी और पीती हूँ, things like these. So to make it more relatable, and we relate to everyday life, so hence we need people to understand how important these little daily life scenarios can help in building a healthy heart.
Okay. Ma'am, we have heard about men's health and sports persons, athletes. We have heard cases about all of them. You have a section in your book for women's health, heart health.
Yes.
So please tell us about that.
What is the biggest cause of death in women? It's not breast cancer. It's heart disease. That's the leading cause of death in women. And women, most times, they do not take heart health seriously. They are probably thinking about other things, career, family, home, but they don't take their heart health seriously. And we need to raise awareness that, it can happen to you too.
Well, this book is about awareness,
Yes.
okay, about people. So I really want to know that how was your experience in curating this, because you've already written earlier as well. So how has this shaped your perception towards heart health and all of it? I just want to know your experience behind writing this.
Experience has been great, and the idea behind this is that even if I can save one life through this book, then my work is accomplished.
Thank you so much for your insights, ma'am.
Thank you.
Well, before we end this conversation, I would really like to pass on a message to our readers, because nowadays in India, every third or fourth death we are witnessing
Yes.
is due to cardiac arrest, no matter what age group.
Yes.
So I would really like you to give some message to our readers.
Please read the book, and it's going to definitely empower you, and you will realize that little things can actually make up to a happy heart that we all deserve.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for
Thank you.
being with us here today for this session.
Thank
It
you.
was so good to know so much about heart health.
Thank you.
And thank you to everyone for being with us here today. Thank you.
Thank you. Our book Heartbeat is now available on Bookswagon.